Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best necklace making kit is probably one of the most exciting and creative ways for young girls aged 3 to 5 to express their individuality and develop fine motor skills, offering a delightful blend of fun and educational play that allows them to design and craft their very own beautiful jewelry pieces, fostering a sense of accomplishment and sparking their imagination with every bead they string. Number 5. Disney Princess Necklace Activity Case. Unleash your inner designer and create beautiful, custom necklaces inspired by your favorite Disney princesses. With a variety of beads, charms, and colorful cords, the magic is in your hands. Adorn your creations with charms of iconic princesses like Belle, Ariel, and Cinderella. Every piece you make will be filled with magical charm and storytelling. Take the magic anywhere with the included reusable carry case. It keeps all your crafting supplies neatly organized, making it perfect for travel or playdates. This kit isn't just fun, it's a fantastic way to boost creativity and fine motor skills. Watch as your child develops hand-eye coordination, self-expression, and confidence. Looking for a magical gift? This activity kit is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion for girls aged 3 and up who love Disney princesses. This imaginative arts and crafts kit provides hours of creative fun. It's a wonderful surprise for any young Disney princess enthusiast. What we like? If you have a little one who adores Disney princesses, this kit is a dream come true. It allows them to create custom necklaces featuring their favorite characters. The included portable case makes it perfect for on-the-go crafting and easy cleanup, so if you're looking for a magical and organized activity, this is the one. What people say. The kit includes a variety of beads in different shapes, sizes, and colors, allowing for creative designs. The clasps and chains are sturdy and easy to use, making it simple for children to create wearable jewelry. The instruction booklet provides clear, step-by-step guidance, making it accessible even for beginners. Number 4. GILI Pop Beads Jewelry Making Kit. Introducing the GILI Pop Beads Jewelry Making Kit, a delightful way for your little ones to express their creativity. It's perfect for sparking imagination and hours of fun. Designed for girls aged 3 to 8, this kit offers endless possibilities for creating beautiful necklaces and bracelets. It's a wonderful way to enjoy DIY time together. Crafted with high-quality materials, this toy ensures safe and enjoyable play for children. It's a fantastic option for kids aged 4 and up. More than just fun, this kit is an excellent educational tool. It helps develop fine motor skills, eye-hand coordination, and nurtures creativity and imagination. Looking for a special gift? This jewelry making set is an ideal choice for birthdays and Christmas. It's a gift that encourages hands-on activity and artistic expression. With 500 colorful pop beads, the creative potential is limitless. Your child can design and build unique jewelry pieces to their heart's content. What we like? For endless DIY fun and skill development, this kit is a fantastic choice. With 500 pieces, it offers a wide range of possibilities for creating unique necklaces and bracelets. If you're looking for an educational toy that fosters creativity and fine motor skills, this is an excellent option for hours of engaging play. What people say. The kit includes a variety of beads in different shapes, sizes, and colors, allowing for creative designs. The clasps and chains are easy to attach, making the jewelry making process straightforward for children. The storage box keeps all the components organized and prevents them from getting lost. Number 3. BIRANCO Pop Beads Jewelry Making Kit. Unleash your creativity with this amazing jewelry making kit. It's packed with 520 colorful snap beads in various shapes and sizes, plus extra hairbands, all in a convenient pink storage box. Looking for the ideal gift for a young artist? This set is perfect for birthdays and holidays, helping her develop creative thinking and practical skills as she designs her own unique jewelry. Designed for easy use, these beads connect simply by snapping them together. There's no need for threads, making it perfect for little hands aged 3 to 7 and up. She can easily snap the beads together to create stunning necklaces, bracelets, and rings. Best of all, they pull apart just as easily, allowing for endless redesign possibilities. Crafted from high-quality plastic, this toy meets international safety standards. It's a wonderful way to enjoy birthdays, holidays, and any occasion with safe, engaging fun. What we like? This kit is perfect for little ones who want to jump right into crafting without any fuss. The snap-together beads mean no threading is required, and they're easy to pull apart for endless remakes. If you're looking for a simple, frustration-free jewelry making experience that encourages creative thinking, this is a great pick. What people say. The kit includes a variety of beads in different shapes, sizes, and colors, allowing for creative freedom. The clasps and chains are sturdy and easy to attach, making the jewelry making process smooth. The instruction booklet provides clear and simple steps, perfect for beginners. Number 2. LovelyMoon Bracelet Making Kit. Imagine the excitement as she unwraps this amazing bracelet making kit. It has everything she needs to create her own unique designs, making it the ultimate gift for girls ages 6 to 12. Picture her surrounded by colorful beads, creating countless beautiful designs. With a variety of beads and strings, the possibilities for crafting are truly endless. Think about the joy of making personalized friendship bracelets for her best friends. She can express her unique style or create a special gift for someone she loves. She can start crafting right away with simple, step-by-step directions, perfect for beginners. It's a fun way to improve her skills while having a blast. Give hours of creative fun with this bracelet making kit, perfect for birthdays or Christmas. You'll love seeing her smile as she proudly wears or gifts her creations. What we like. If you're looking for a kit that offers truly endless crafting possibilities, this one is it. With a massive 3,400 pieces, including clay beads and charms, it's perfect for creating personalized friendship bracelets and more. This is ideal for girls who love to express their style and make heartfelt gifts for their friends and family. What people say. The kit includes a variety of beads in different shapes, sizes, and colors, allowing for creative designs. The clasps and chains are sturdy and easy to use, making it simple for children to create wearable jewelry. The instruction booklet provides clear step-by-step guidance, making it easy for beginners to follow along. Number 1. Dupamind Friendship Bracelet Making Kit. Unleash your creativity with this fun and easy bracelet making kit. Design personalized bracelets with colorful straps, letter beads, and charming accessories. It's perfect for sleepovers and crafting nights, helping you make cherished keepsakes. Say goodbye to frustrating threading. Our easy snap-on system means anyone can start crafting right away. It's perfect for beginners and ideal for group fun at parties or sleepovers. Choose from 4 vibrant strap colors to create your perfect bracelet. Mix and match them for endless possibilities. It's a fantastic way to add excitement to parties and playdates. Make each bracelet unique by adding colorful letter beads and fun charms. Spell out names, create secret messages, or design meaningful keepsakes. The possibilities are endless for personalized gifts. Looking for a great gift? This kit is ideal for birthdays, holidays, and parties. It provides hours of fun and bonding, making any gathering more memorable. Crafted with high-quality, non-toxic materials, this kit ensures safe and durable fun. Enjoy a creative bonding experience knowing it's built to last. What we like. This kit is designed for zero frustration and maximum fun, especially for beginners. The easy snap-on system means no tricky threading, making it perfect for sleepovers and parties. If you're looking for an activity that encourages creativity and allows kids to easily create personalized friendship bracelets to share, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The kit includes a variety of beads in different shapes, sizes, and colors, allowing for creative designs. The clasps and chains are sturdy and easy to work with, making the necklace assembly straightforward. The instructions are clear and simple, suitable for beginners and young crafters. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.